How to fix alarm no sound issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all open the clock app. Now go to the alarms tab and here tap on the alarm. Now after opening the alarm setting, tap on sound, and from here if you have selected none, then select a sound from these sections. And after selecting a sound, the alarm no sound issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the no alarm sound issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps, and then again tap on this apps option to confirm. Now here scroll down and open clock app, and then go to the storage of clock app. Now clear the app data and cache memory of clock. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on OK. And after doing this, the alarm sound issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution to fix this issue is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. So if you have not updated your phone's software to the latest version, then update your phone's software, and after updating the software of your phone, the alarm sound issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.